Okay, here on a call, customer was saying that she was smelling gas. So using my snifter here, went around the joint here. I really didn't find anything. And so as I got closer to this gas knob, gas control knob, it starts to pick up the smell of gas. So the unit is off right now. And then as you can see, so if I go farther away, kind of dies back down. So it's off now. Get close to this gas valve again. And there we go. It was also detecting gas off the top there. So this gas valve here will need to be replaced, and customer won't be smelling gas anymore. So it's for a Lennox product. So we'll go ahead and order that and get that replaced, and should take care of the gas smell.